Schaub with the Ozarks Team at Century 21 LeMac Realty, and this is the Real Estate Minute. For this Real Estate Minute, we thought it would be fun to share with you what happened at the Century 21 LeMac Realty Halloween Open House, where we invite the community to come share a safe, warm Halloween experience with us. We provide candy and decorations for all the kids. Let's go in and find out what some of those characters think of the Ozarks Team.
Candy Cornetta, what do you think of the Ozarks Team?
Oh, I think they are so smart and caring and efficient and get the job done, whatever it takes.
Well, you are sweet, Candy Corn. Thank you. What do you think of the Ozarks Team?
Oh, they are a wonderful group of people. Absolutely fantastic.
Would you trust them with your real estate transaction?
I certainly would.
Wow. Can you fly? Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
What do you boys think of the Ozarks Team?
Well, Captain Jack and I, we think it's just great.
Wonderful.
Thank you. So, John? Hi, John.
Hello.
Hello.
What do you think of the Ozarks Team?
I think the Ozarks Team are a great group of realtors.
Would you like them to help you with your real estate transaction?
I sure would.
What do you think of the Ozarks Team?
I don't know.
Well, that's all the time we have for Halloween. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.